Hello friends and followers. Today we have got a 2022 Ford Raptor. This truck has 39,500 miles on it. Clean Carfax. It's a 2-owner truck. Sourced locally from Houston, right here in Houston. Very nice and clean truck, non-smoker, no accidents. Tires are like new on this one. Great service records as well. We do have 2 keys and all the books. Picture of the window sticker will be in the gallery. It's a 22 model, so it does have that upgraded interior. Very clean. It's black inside. It's a rapid red metallic paint. You don't see too many of these. I've had a couple of them for sale. Bed liner on this truck. Does have the heated and the cooled seats and adaptive cruise control and the rear camera and navigation and all the tech stuff. Just a really nice, clean, low mileage for 2022. All these tires are like new. It's got the power boards as well. Amp research right there. Take a look inside, look at these bolsters. Very clean. That armrest, lightly used. Heated, cooled seats. There's your big screen. Here we go. 39,556 miles. It's got all the buttons here on the steering wheel. Adaptive cruise, blind spot, lane departure. Over here you can change the steering, suspension, the exhaust noise. It's got the upfitter switches up there. Real clean door panel. Great price. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. We can do long distance deals if you need financing. We got some options for you as well. We do offer warranties too. Give us a call, text, email. I will respond quickly. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please. Like the video, make a comment. I like answering people's questions in the comments. I try to get to all of them. Go back, look at some of our other videos. You can also follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. Those puddles underneath there are just from washing it. They're coming through the bed. The water's just draining out. This truck doesn't leak anything at all. So give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Real nice truck. All the pictures are in the gallery. Thanks for watching.